In the glow of morning light, we elevate your view. Come out your blinds, we're the team to trust it's true. With shades that fit just right, customizing for your space. Transforming every room, adding style and grace.
So today we're in Arden community, and we're putting some Plantation shutters, a combination of horizontals, roller shades, motorization. So one house where we're doing a combination of blinds. And right here, what Mr. Alvin's doing, this is the windowsill piece. So this is a piece that covers your windowsill on the bottom. And so once we put it down there, you're in there? Okay. It sits, so the shutter sits on top of it. It gives you a nice finish windowsill piece to it. And Mr. Alvin will talk around it now, and you'll see the finished product, how it ties there easy. We're gonna put a Z-frame on here. Z-frame that goes all the way up, all the way around. This will be a two-door with a T-post in the middle. These are poly shutters, so they're great from South Florida, great for the sun. They're great for the moisture, sun, for the weather. Even inside a bathroom, you could put these. They're great for all of it. So here we put already the windowsill piece, and this is the second the frame that goes. So this is the second step to it, where we put the frame up. And after the frame goes up, then we start working in the doors. And you'll see how once we install it, we'll put the frame and the doors. You guys will see in the video the rest of it. The middle, the T-post, it stabilizes the doors. It gives you more structure, strength to the frame.
We're here to inspire, elevating homes, you ignite that fire. In the glow of morning light, we elevate your view. Come out your blinds, we're the team to trust it's true. With shades that fit just right, customizing for your space. Transforming every room, adding style and grace. Elevate your home, let the sun shine in. Come out your blinds, let's take it high. Custom creations reach for the sky. Elevate your space, feel the rhythm and light. With shapes so perfect, everything feels right.
This is let me show you this. So this is 4.5-inch louvers. Actually, sorry, 3.5-inch louvers. This is 3.5-inch louvers with hidden tilt. Hidden tilts right here. So you actually tilt it by hand. If you look at this side, you tilt by hand, see? And it's split tilt, so this one works separate from this one. Split tilt operator.
Come out your blinds, let's take it high. Custom creations reach for the sky. Elevate your space, feel the rhythm and light. With shapes so perfect, everything feels right.